Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can add the Google Maps location into Instagram. There could be two ways. The first way is adding into your profile bio, and the next one is adding it into the Instagram story. But today I would like to show you the way how you can do that to Instagram story. So you just need to open your Instagram application here, and then you just need to swipe your Instagram into the right side so that you can have an access into the Instagram story camera. You can add the picture from your photo library. Let's say you want to do this, and if you want to add the Google Maps location, tap into this alphabet option, and that could be imagine and location. Tap into the location, and the next you just need to go swipe or click the name of the location that you want to add here, and then you just need to tap done, and you are done. So you just need to go upload your stories
Time to charge
here, and then you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.